One of Maruti Suzuki's most important launches this year is the all-new Brezza compact SUV. A recent report confirms that the new Brezza will go on sale on June 30, 2022. While bookings for the new Brezza are not yet open, some dealers are accepting orders unofficially. With the new SUV, Maruti will aim to repeat the sales success of original Vitara Brezza that has been a smash hit since 2016. The Vitara Brezza surpassed the 5 lakh sales milestone in January 2020 and 7 lakh sales milestone in November 2021. But due to its outdated looks and features, the Brezza lost its ground to the Tata Nexon. Based on the current SUV's Global C platform, the new Maruti Brezza will have significantly redone styling both outside and inside, along with added tech and features, and the more fuel-efficient DualJet K-series engine. A sunroof, one of the many new features, will also be on offer, making the Brezza the company's first locally built model to get one. As per the speculated launch timeline, the 2022 Brezza could be the first subcompact SUV with a factory-fitted CNG powertrain. The 2022 Maruti Brezza is likely to feature the same 1.5-liter DualJet petrol engine as Ertiga, producing 102 brake horsepower and 137 Nm torque. The CNG Spec will produce 87 PS of power and 121 Nm of torque. The CNG option will get a 5-speed manual gearbox, whereas the petrol variants can also be had with a 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission. Tata Motors and Kia India are hot on their heels to launch the Nexon CNG and Sonet CNG respectively. It is worth noting that both the Nexon CNG and Sonet CNG will be offered with turbocharged petrol engines as compared to the Brezza's naturally aspirated engine. The compact SUV segment is filled with newer rivals like the recently updated Kia Sonet as well as the Hyundai Venue, which will see a major mid-cycle update on June 16, 2022. There's also the segment leader Tata Nexon to contend with, which is showing strong growth, and in the last financial year, it was India's largest selling SUV, surpassing the Hyundai Creta. Let's wait and see how market reacts to these new launches. Thanks for watching.